Now this is a 2018 Passat, and although there is a video of me showing you guys how to do this rear glass without removing the lid, I am going to remove this lid to redo this glass and show someone how to remove it. Okay, somebody was asking of how do I remove that. Okay, so I'm gonna try to show you guys how to do that. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to open the trunk. You need to release the seats so that they can go forward. Once the seats come forward, you see that the buttons, when they have, this one over here, it's already missing, but there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. This thing is missing 2 buttons already. Okay, this thing over here, it releases very easy, comes forward, so that comes off. You can see it again.